Hi, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can launch your own website and also keep updating it. And watch till the end because I have a special gift for you. In today's video, we're going to go through part 3 about launching and updating your professional website. Now, if you have not watched my video 1 and 2, you can watch it over here or you can see the link on the description. So in today's, I'm going to share with you 5 keys to successfully launch your website. First is that before you launch, make sure you check and ensure all the links and your call to action, your forms are all working. Test it out because you don't want to launch it and then find out that your form is not working or it's sent to the wrong email address and you lost leads on that. And remember, all the leads are valuable assets for your business because each one of them will cost you money, especially if you run ads to bring them in and you lost them because of simple mistakes like your link doesn't work or your form doesn't work. So check and ensure all links and forms are working. Number 2 is you need to optimize for search engine. Search engine optimization or SEO is a complicated topic, but your website should have the features to optimize them, especially for the keywords that you want. So each page, the best is 1 to 2 keywords, and the 2 keywords must be related. And it has to be very simple for you to ensure that your web page is optimized for search engine. I'll show you in a while what do I mean on that. Now the third one is if you are planning to run ads in the future, not even now, it doesn't matter where you run it right now, but you want to start putting tracking code onto your website. Meaning that if you want to run Facebook ads in the future, so when visitors come and visit your website, Facebook start tracking them. They know who comes to your website. If you want to run your Facebook ads a month later, then you can create a custom audience telling Facebook, hey, I want to run this ad and show to my visitors of my website for the last 3 months, 6 months, and so on. So first thing is that you need to have this tracking code onto your website. Usually they have like Facebook and Google. These are the 2 biggest ads platforms. So you want to install these 2 tracking code. In Facebook, it's called Pixel. In Google, it's called Tag. So you want to put it in there so that your website start tracking even though you have not running ads yet. Now you want to learn about how to get your tracking code, all this. I'll do a separate videos on that. How to get a Facebook Pixel and another one on Google Tags. But right now, let me show to you how you can put all this tracking code easily to your website. Now I'm right now at the web builder that I'm using, and this is one of the best web builder I have used so far. All you need here, click on here, you got all these general settings. Let's go to SEO, search engine optimization. So here the SEO setup means the search engine optimization setup is so simple. Click here to visible to all search engine, or you want to hide from it. You want to get ranked, then you must be visible on search engines. Yeah, so what is your title? What is your keywords? And what is the description? 3 different things only. And other than that, you can upload your favicon. Favicon are those small little icons you see on the tab of your Chrome or the browser. Yeah, so it's very simple. You can upload it over here. Click here and then you can upload it. Now when we talk about the tracking codes here, this is the Google Analytics ID and Facebook Pixel ID. Now I love this web builder because it's so simple. So when you create your Facebook ads account, it has a pixel. All you need is to copy that pixel ID here. Same thing with this is Google Analytics ID. So you can copy it over here. Yeah, so that you can start track on your Google Analytics. So once you key in all this information, set, that's it, finish. It's so simple. That's why I like about this web builder. Very simple, easy, especially for a small business owner. We won't have to worry about programming language and all this coding and so on, so that we got more time to actually focus on building our business. Okay, so once the tracking code and your SEO is done, the fourth one will be monitor the performance. You know your objective. So if your objective is for lead generation, then you need to monitor whether your website really generates leads or not. Now, of course, this will rely on your lead magnet. So if your lead magnet is attractive enough, you will see leads coming in. Now, if you watch my video, you've seen that we have leads coming in every day so that I can follow up with them and convert them to become my customers. If your website are not bringing in leads, then something is not right. Then the fifth step is to continuously to improve so that you can achieve the goal of your website, which is to bring in leads, right? Now, same thing with the website. First thing is that if you get someone to build your website, ensure that you can keep updating them easily. So that is the biggest problem we see in a lot of small business. They just build a website and they leave it for years, never update it. So that's why people prefer to use like Facebook page and so on. But remember, Facebook page and all this thing, it doesn't belong to you. And all the leads, you can't really take them out. It is a good place for you to promote and bring them to your website and convert them into your leads, then your customers. So updating your website should be very easy and very frequent. So that is one of the key things. If I want to find a web builder, it must allow me to update it so easily. I'll show you how I can update easily on my website. So now, let's say this is the website. I can come in here. I can update it anytime I want. So here, edit body. I can change all this easily. And if I want to add some news, I can click and then I can add. Yeah, so let's say I want to have some news text block, or let me use call to actions here. Okay, call to actions. Okay, let's use this one. It's so simple and fast, you see. So I can put August promotion. And if I want to change, yeah, the body here, free cabinet. If you worth 10,000, if you engage us. Something like this. I just want to show you that it's so easy to maintain. Yeah, now even I want to change here I can change the website. Furniture. Okay. That's it. I can easily update it. Yeah. So after finish, I just save and publish. That's it. Okay, let's get back. Now remember, I told you in the beginning, I have a special gift for you. So if you're interested to learn how to build the website, now you doesn't have to use my web builder, but if you want to use it web builder, I have a special link for you because we're launching soon on the 8th of August. So if you are my subscribers, you can click the link and you can have special discounts to use this web builder. Now, by the way, you can register for free to play it around, build your own website, test it out. You will only pay if you want to publish it. Go ahead and try play with it. Yeah, I guarantee you, you will love it. Now, my second gift for you is that in the link right down below in the description, I will have a special checklist for you to build your professional website to generate leads for you day in and day out. If you're interested to download this checklist, click on the link down below and go ahead and download it and start building your website and use it to grow your business. So this is Andrew, and I hope you learn how to build this website. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, we publish weekly business tips on how to go online, do online business. So subscribe right now, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when we publish new content. See you.